Today, we are going to use the xTool P3 to create a layered engraving of a wooden football helmet. Place the wooden board to be processed flat onto the work table. Operate the device to move the laser head. Connect your device in xTool Studio to start processing, record full process footage, and switch dual camera views. After setting the work table height, check the laser head and processing parameters. Start the program to begin automatic wood engraving. Laser head moves horizontally and vertically. The dual camera collaborative system equipped on the P3 consists of the Skyview camera and the close-up camera. The two work in synergy to deliver precise automatic positioning. Along the preset path to carve patterns. Do not open the hatch or touch the equipment while running. After cutting, lay protective film and place carved wood pieces on it. Arrange the dried painted wood parts and align their splicing contours. Apply glue evenly onto the bonding surfaces. Precisely align and press the wood pieces together. Adjust components. Then leave them to sit until the glue fully cures.